Hey, this is Syed from FC. So today I'm gonna show you how you can install Maven through Linux terminal. So in order to do that, we need to open our terminal by pressing Ctrl or T to make it bigger. Ctrl Shift plus. Okay, first we need to check if we have a pre-existing Maven installed in our system. So to check, we can use Maven version command nvn dash v dash v should be enough. So as you can see, bash saying Maven not command not found. So that means we don't have Maven installed in our system. So next thing we have to do, we can check if there is any available package we can install for Maven. So we can use apt package manager. So the command for it is sudo apt install Maven. Then if you press tab twice, you'll see list of option. So these are all the options we can use for install. So the one we are looking for is Maven, the first one. So um, we can just Control C to exit out from this list. Then we can do the same command sudo apt install Maven. Then we can pass y argument for installation questions, and the answer should be yes. So once we press enter, Maven should get installed in our system. So I'm pressing enter now. So it's required password. Let me insert the password. Then press enter. So you can see Maven is installing. So it's done installing. You can see the Maven version is 3.6.3. So let me clear the logs. So let me verify the Maven version again with nvnv, and you can see Apache Maven 3.6.3 installed. The home directory is user share Maven. Yeah. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and if you like the video, please don't forget to press the like icon. And also if you want to get notified for future video uploads, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.